Pickup Pass is your secure QR code for collection at the school gate. Open it from the home screen by tapping Pickup Pass. This is the Pass tab. At the top you'll see whose pass it is, and if you have more than one child, tap Change to switch between them. The banner reminds you this is the usual end of day pickup. Here is the most important thing to remember. Every QR code has a validity date and time shown right under it. Once that time passes, the code is no longer valid, so open the app on the day and show the latest pass. An old screenshot will not scan. Tap Enlarge to make the code easier to scan at the gate, or tap Share to send it to the person collecting your child. Keep in mind that the code on its own is not enough. Only someone you have authorized, and your school has approved, can actually collect your child, so staff will still check who is at the gate. If your child needs to leave earlier than usual, tap Request Early Leave and send it to school. You'll find a full guide on early leave in the video linked below. Below is your history. Pickups shows every collection with the date, the time, and who collected. If the office recorded it by hand instead of scanning, you'll see a manual entry tag. Early leave shows your requests and their status, such as approved, cancelled, or collected. Tap any request to see the reason and the approved time. The reasons shown here are examples, and can differ from school to school. Now the part that really matters for safety. Tap People to add a grandparent, a relative, or a driver your school should recognize at the gate. Tap the Add button to start. The panel at the top shows exactly what your school asks for, and the required fields are marked. Fill in the name, the relationship to your child, the telephone, and the ID or document number. These fields are set by your school, so they can look different elsewhere. Adding a photo helps staff recognize them at the gate. You can set an end date, useful for a driver or a short arrangement, or leave it open. Then tick which children this person can collect, or leave them all unticked to cover every child. When you're ready, tap Send to School. Your school reviews every request, so the person first appears as awaiting approval, and you can withdraw at any time. Once the school approves, the status turns green. Keep an eye on the note here, as your school sets how many approved people each child can have. And here is the safest part. Once someone is approved, a Who's Pass option appears. Family code is your general code, so instead of sharing that around, tap the person's name to issue a pass in their own name. The gate then sees exactly who is collecting, which makes the security check faster, clearer, and much safer. So, check the validity time, share your code carefully, and give every authorized person their own pass. That way your child is always collected by the right person.